Hello class, welcome back to our online class again. So it's me again, teacher Vankongkea, right? So before we start our lesson for today, that teacher want you to prepare your material like our book for first session is Grammar Planet 1. That today we will continue our lesson unit 13 that we talk about I Can Swim on page 858. So please prepare our book right now. And right now before we start, let's move to our whiteboard for today. So teacher want you to clarify more how to use modal word with can, right? Okay, so modal word for today, we have just only one that we need to use in our lesson for today is talk about can. So can be ability, permission, request, offer, it mean like have, right? Example, ability it focus the thing that you can do or about yourself, right? Example, I can speak 4 languages, right? Permission is mean like you ask someone to have permission to use something. Example, can I use your book please? So when you want to borrow someone book, you need to ask them permission, right? Look like this one, can I use your book please? Or request is mean like you ask someone to get it or to buy it. Example, can you hand me a pen? Can you hand me the pen? Right? It's mean like, can you get me the can? Something like that. Can I borrow your pen? Can you buy me a pen? Right? Okay, and offer is mean have. Example, can I help you? So when your friend look like carry something look like heavy, sometimes we always say, can I help you? So it's mean like you volunteer or you help someone, right? Okay, so can we use it so many kind that it can be ability, permission, request, or offer, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. So modal word can we can use in 3 form that it can be positive, negative, and question. But related with question, we can use with yes and no answer also, right? So example in here, you can see positive, I can swim. It's talk about ability, right? I can swim. And negative, I can't swim. I can swim. So I can swim. This one is referred to negative form. And can we use in question form also? Can you swim? So the answer we can say it yes I can or no I can't, right? Okay, so here is the form that we have 3 form of using with can, right? That we have positive, negative, and question. So please remember everyone, when you use in negative, you can write in 2 ways. That can, this one we can write like this, and one more we can write cannot, right? Okay, and question form you need to remember also, when we use can in question form, the can should be in front of the subject, right? And after that is the word, right? That you can see in here, can is in front of the subject. So you, this one is subject, and the last one is can be verb, right? Okay, so right now let's move to our page for today. So here is our page. That the first one you need to look and write can or cannot or can. And D you need to unscramble and write. So now let's look at the first picture. She can swim, right? Okay, number 2. The dog is swimming, right? So Max can swim, right? Okay, and number 3. Can and D hear the man? No, he cannot, right? Or no, he can. And number 4, can they swim? Yes, they can because they are ducks, right? Okay, so the ducks can swim in the water, right? Okay, now let's move to exercise D, unscramble and write. So number 1, we have can they fly? So you need to unscramble. It means like you need to arrange that sentence to the correct one. That we need to put they can fly. Number 2, climb, can't, and eat. So we need to arrange that one to the correct one is it can climb, right? And number 3, can talk he. So we need to arrange that one to the correct one is can he talk? So can he talk? Right? Okay, number 4. We write by can. So this one is question form. So we need to put can first. And after that, we need to put subject and object, right? So that one is can we ride a bike? So we can say it, yes, we can, because in this picture the kid is riding a bike, right? So after this video, teacher will provide you the exercise that related with our lesson for today, and you need to do our exercise and send it to teacher in personal telegram. So now it's time for our first session, and see you again for second session. Goodbye everyone.